Tongjiang Small Boss Special Plastic Products Company Limited is located in Jiaxing City, Zhejiang Province, which is near from Shanghai and Ningbo Port. It is an innovative manufacturing enterprise engaged in the research, development, and production of vinyl sheet piles. The company's workshop area exceeds 52,000 square meters, with more than 20 various sheet pile production lines and a comprehensive product testing laboratory. The annual production capacity of PVC sheet pile can reach to 60,000 tons. We can provide one-stop service from mold development to raw material and finished sheet pile production. Also equipped with professional laboratory with more than 40 testing machines. Reappearing the requirements and announcements during the installation of PVC sheet pile. Put the steel mandrel on the ground with pile driving machine, and then clean the sludge and other sundries on the surface. In case of fall-off, Small Boss PVC sheet pile will be fixed to the steel mandrel with locking pliers when Small Boss PVC sheet pile was installed into steel mandrel. 3 pieces locking pliers will be installed evenly divided on each side of the PVC sheet pile and steel mandrel, picking up the fixed PVC sheet pile to installation position, connecting the connector A of neighboring sheet pile with connector B of fixed sheet pile. The soil around the sheet pile will be liquefied by high-frequency vibration produced by vibratory feeders. Disengaging the locking pliers one by one after the sheet pile is inserted into soil. The PVC sheet pile will be inserted slowly to the corresponding depth of soil, pulling out the steel mandrel later. Proceeding installation of next PVC sheet pile one by one. In order to ensure artistic of the river embankment, the center line of whole PVC sheet pile should be very straight. The driving depth should be the same. The forest resources will be wasted to use traditional wooden sheet pile, and the wooden sheet pile will be broken and decayed after long time. It is easy to rot for steel sheet pile and bad for the water and soil. The safety problem will cause easily after rusting. The thickness is very thick and the weight is very heavy for the concrete sheet pile. The service life is short and difficult to install. Besides, the installation cost of concrete sheet pile is high and will pollute the environment again. Small Boss PVC sheet pile can replace above traditional sheet pile. It has following several advantages: no rot and rusting, lightweight, lower cost, easy to install, UV protect, acid and alkali resistant, long service life for 50 years, high load carrying capacity with excellent impact strength and compressive strength. Small Boss PVC sheet pile has been widely used for protection of sluice foundation, cofferdam, foundation, river embankment revetment, salt lake anti-seepage, and so on. Professional sales and after-sales team can provide customer better service, creating a better communication platform by online and offline exhibition. Small Boss is reported by local TV station for many times and be honored with National High-Tech Enterprises. Small Boss PVC sheet pile has been sold all over the world. We are specializing in creating top 1 supplier for PVC sheet pile and raw material. Small Boss Hope can create a better future with you together.